would like to tell you the story of the lady from Portland, Oregon that sent me Oriental rug and gave me a good advice how to make the video in a different way. Allow me to tell you the story of Mrs. Lize from Portland, Oregon. Mrs. Lize told me, put the folding video up front so everybody can see how easy it is to ship a rug from Portland, Oregon, all the way to Florida. Mr. Lize told me the story, what happened to her. Let me repeat it and tell it to you. I'm sure you're having similar situation. This is the story of the Oriental rug that shipped all the way from Portland, Oregon, 3,500 miles to Florida to be clean from dog and cat's urine odor and to clean naturally. No chemicals and no any odor to be deposited to mask the urine odor. Go to Home Depot and buy a box for the size of your rug, approximately. And then take the rug, fold it into the box, put a tape around the box. Call me, I'm going to send UPS to your door to pick it up, the package, and I'm going to even email you the UPS label. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently without using any artificial smell. Thank you. Mrs. Lize, I try everything in the market. I was in pet store almost every day. This product is not working. Can you recommend a better product? Can you recommend another product? Maybe can I use something else? I searched the Google, I searched the internet, how to remove urine odor. And the result was far from what everybody promised me. The smell was so bad. Then I don't know if shall I throw the rugs and buy a new one, but this is very old rugs, more than 60 years old, every one of them. How can I throw them away? So after all my attempt to clean the rug without any success, I went and I bought one of the carpet cleaning machine. And I steamed the carpet myself and I clean it myself and I use all the cleaning product and nothing worked. The rug was smelling so bad and I was afraid to send the rug to clean because I did it already. I sent the rug to somebody to clean in my area and the rug came with the color on and it looks terrible. I was very skeptical how I'm going to send the rug and to who is going to clean the rug the way how I looking for, the way how I want it to be clean. I went on Google and I type Oriental rug, urine odor removal, please help. And here is the video of Mr. Martin from Florida. I was convinced right away that this is the only cleaning process that can remove the urine odor completely. I called Mr. Martin, I gave him the advice what I suggest about the new video. I fold the rug and I ship it to Florida. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. This is my statement. Meir Martin. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.